I'm telling you, it's a surprise.
Surprise! Surprise my ass! After the hell that you put us in, you think I'm gonna trust you with this operation?
Hey,
I can't!
hey,
Calm down
now.
right now.
Hey, now, calm down. Calm down.
Jeez.
We're already here. I promise you're gonna like it.
Damn.
This shit is gonna get us rich.
Oh my god! Oh my god, do you see it? Do you see it? Do you see it? It's a work of fucking art. How'd you get him?
That's besides the point. Do you trust me now?
Hell yeah! Let's get this shorty!
It sure is beautiful.
I know, right?